Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the Facebook Sales and Marketing Blueprint. This comprehensive strategy is a game changer for businesses and individuals looking to boost their organic reach on Facebook. So, if you're tired of spending on ads with little return, this video is for you. The Facebook Sales and Marketing Blueprint is designed for enhancing organic reach and lead generation on Facebook, focusing on leveraging Facebook's features and algorithms to increase visibility naturally. Let's break down what this blueprint is all about. We're talking profile optimization, engaging content, community interaction, CRM strategies, and much more, all without spending a dime on ads. What can this blueprint do for you? Let's take a look. Facebook strategy expertise. It guides you on using Facebook's features to your advantage. CRM and engagement tactics. Leveraging CRM strategies like the Genius Messenger CRM to initiate meaningful conversations. Content and marketing material analysis. I'll analyze your marketing materials and provide actionable insights. But what problems does the Facebook Sales and Marketing Blueprint solve? This is key. From low organic reach to inefficient lead generation, the blueprint tackles a range of challenges. Boosting organic reach, strategies to make your content seen without paid ads. Lead generation, generating leads by building real relationships with your audience. Content optimization, creating content that resonates and engages your followers. Which niches benefit from this blueprint? Pretty much all of them. From small businesses to e-commerce, content creators to local services, the list goes on. Let's explore some specific examples. Small businesses. Local businesses can build a strong community presence. E-commerce. Online retailers can drive traffic and sales through engaging content. Service providers. Professionals can connect personally with potential clients. This case study illustrates just how powerful the Facebook Sales and Marketing Blueprint can be. It's about smart strategies, not big ad budgets. And that's a wrap on today's deep dive into the Facebook Sales and Marketing Blueprint. If you're looking to elevate your Facebook game organically, this is your go-to guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep growing organically.